Feeling weaker climbing stairs? These 3 fruits can help you stay strong after 60. Have you noticed that climbing stairs or lifting things feels harder than it used to? That slow, creeping loss of strength is something many people over 60 experience, but it doesn't have to be a normal part of aging. Yes, aging is natural, but losing your strength? That can be prevented. Surprisingly, one of the gentlest ways to support your muscles starts with something simple: fruit. Let's look at 3 powerful fruits that can help keep your muscles strong and resilient as you age. 1. Avocado. Creamy, delicious, and full of benefits beyond toast. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that help reduce chronic inflammation, a major cause of muscle loss as we age. They're also rich in potassium and magnesium, minerals that support healthy muscle contractions, prevent cramps, and keep your heart beating steady. 2. Tart cherries. Ever wake up with stiff legs or sore shoulders for no reason? Tart cherries might be your secret weapon. They're loaded with anthocyanins, powerful compounds that reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. Studies even show that athletes recover faster when drinking tart cherry juice. If it works for runners, imagine what it can do for your daily movement. 3. Prunes. They may look wrinkly, but don't underestimate them. Prunes are rich in antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and polyphenol, which help protect and repair muscle tissue. They also support the production of IGF-1, a hormone essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Plus, with their fiber content, prunes help with digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and keep your energy levels steady. If you want to stay strong and active as you age, these fruits can be a tasty and natural part of the solution. If you found this helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips.